What is happening, guys? Hello again and welcome to the next video for Amazon Selling Hustle. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 international websites that you can also use to source your products, and they're not from China. Let's get right into it. So, let's say you're on Amazon, and obviously the main products we've been using are exercise ball and hidden cameras or hidden spy cameras or spy cameras. So let's do hidden camera. Today we will look at hidden cameras on Amazon. Pulls up all the different types of hidden cameras. Maybe we want to go into a specific niche, so we're going to look at the cameras. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to check out my Jungle Scout numbers and see which ones are doing great sales. Come on, Jungle Scout. Click that. There we go. Jungle Scout's going to run. I call it the roulette wheel. It's going to spin. All the products are going to come up. Now I'm going to look at products and I'm going to see that, okay, the hidden camera, this is a ℂ𝕙 portable spy mini wireless small security camera. Looks like it is really, I don't even know what that, a ℂ𝕙. Okay, so that's one kind. What's this one up here? This is a portable small nanny cam. So there's another keyword, so we can type in nanny cam. Okay, so maybe I want the niche nanny cam. Now, I wouldn't recommend you guys try selling this stuff. Cameras have been are becoming restricted. You can no longer sell cameras on Amazon. So don't launch any because Amazon won't let you list the product anymore. I think most of the inventory that's on here is leftover inventory for sellers. Maybe they've been giving a deadline to get rid of it or remove it. But I do know the product is no longer available to be sent to Amazon for listing purposes. So nanny cams. So now we have these nanny cam choices to look at. Let's run numbers on nanny cams, see if that's changed anything. So we're looking at good numbers, low reviews, a couple big ones, but for the most part, they're all really low. Okay, so now that product is great. So now let's say I don't want to use Alibaba. I want to use and see if I can source it from a different country. So we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 countries to choose from. I've added these other sourcing sites to the resource center. Make sure you jump over to the resource center. There are links in there for you to click on if you want, or if you want a bigger list, I have a list of 20 of the top sourcing sites available. As well, if you speak Chinese, I have Chinese language sourcing sites as well on there. So there are a few options to choose from. The first one we are going to look at is ℂ𝕠𝕒𝕠𝕒.com. ℂ𝕠𝕒.com is an American sourcing site. So and it's all over the country of the USA. So if you're looking to source sites through the USA, you can do your sourcing here. Let's see if they have hidden camera. 30 suppliers. So what I love about their site is as soon as I type in a keyword, it tells me how many suppliers there are for that keyword, for variations of that keyword. So cameras, there's 1,100 suppliers. For hidden cameras, there's 30 suppliers. For vehicle rear vision cameras, there's 19 suppliers. So that would be like a license plate cameras. Inspection cameras, pan tilt cameras, board cameras, bullet cameras. Bullet cameras, there's 48 suppliers. Let's look at bullet cameras. Very cool. So now you have all these choices of bullet cameras to go through. Again, here are all the listings. What I like about this site is it's very similar to Alibaba. On the left hand side, you can sort by manufacturer, again like global sources. Or the custom manufacturer, distributor, service company, turnkey systems. You can choose qualifications, certifications, ISO standards, ownership, majority ownership. So this is a diversity thing. A lot of information there. Really simple. You can shortlist their profiles. You can run a risk report on them to see if there's been any complaints. So it's a great site. Again, it's a US based site. So lots of information to choose from. Let's click on this one right here. Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Electronic Industries in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Okay, so they give you, I mean, the layout is fantastic. They give you all the brands they carry. So you can sell their brand. You can check with them if they do private labeling. Contact a supplier. You can send them the template. We'll talk about the template in a video coming up shortly. Now, all the information is here and you can get your pricing. You just have to reach out to the supplier directly. The one downfall with this site is they don't usually show their pricing up front. You do have to contact them for pricing. That's pretty common. There are some pages, I won't say all of them, but there are some pages that will show you pricing up front if you wanted to contact them. But for the most part, these are just all the factory lists. And then once you let them know the quantities that you're interested in, they will give you a great deal. The next one we're going to look at is the Philippines, lazada.com. We'll go wants to push notifications. We'll block that. Lazada.com, again, I think it's partnered with Alibaba. So I believe this is one of Alibaba's partners. They're based out of the Philippines. Most of the production is in the Philippines. Lots to choose from. Again, we'll do hidden camera. Gives you all these choices. Another way to do keyword searches is to type in the word here and watch the drop down menu and then look at the drop down menu for variations. Spy camera, Wi-Fi camera, hidden Wi-Fi camera, surveillance camera. So lots of different options there to look at. Create your top 10 keyword list. So now I'm on Lazada and I'm looking at all the hidden cameras and I got some pricing here of 1,300, 2,200. Now these are not in American prices. This is in pesos or pesos. So you have to do the conversion, but you will pay in pesos. And from there, you will negotiate and get a better deal on bulk buys. So again, the same scenario, you would use the same template. Let's say I'm going through the listings and I want to go with something like, let's choose this one right here, a coat rack version spy camera. 595 pesos for this particular spy camera. Let's convert. What is, we'll go peso to US dollar. I think that's peso. I don't know if that's the Mexican money or if it's the Filipino peso. Did I spell that properly? Did I spell that properly? I'm not sure. So the product price was, let's go back here, 595 peso. So that's a Mexican peso. I want a Philippine peso. Philippine peso. So we'll go to Philippines. ℂ𝕠𝕒𝕠𝕒𝕠𝕒𝕠𝕒. Philippine peso. So 595 equals $11.43 US. Not a bad price. That's a little lower than what it is actually on Alibaba. And you can negotiate. Okay, so now we have the peso here. We know it's $11.48 and a conversion, plus probably just a little bit of an exchange there, or a bank exchange there. So now you can actually, where is it? Contact the manufacturer, rate this product. Where is it? Let's see. Free. So we got standard delivery, free to Canada. Cash on delivery, it's not available. Seller quality, positive seller rating, sold by the Nerdy Tech. Great information here. You can rate this product. It's very similar to like an Amazon platform. Get added to your cart. So if we add to the cart, let's see if we up the quantity. Let's see if we can change the quantity here. Let's go back. Let's change the quantity here. Let's go with 500. Oh, they're only going to let us purchase 5 here. So very similar to using AliExpress. They don't let you purchase a higher quantity than 5. So this would be a great site to do for this particular product to do some online arbitrage with. The next one that we have is India. If you want to deal with an Indian factory, India Mart, again, another fantastic sourcing site based out of India. Same thing applies, same platform, same rules as most of them. The next one we have is Korea. EC21 is based out of Korea. So these are all great sites to look at and check your product listings, compare prices. You can use that in negotiation tactics. Well, I can buy this product, you know, if you're talking to somebody in China, I can buy this from the Philippines for $11.43. Converted to US, you're charging me 13. I don't know why you're charging me as much. I might as well buy from the Philippines. Again, you thank them for their time and you just advise them that you're going to go and purchase from a different country. It's a very powerful tool to use when doing negotiations. We'll talk about that. It's in my templates. You'll see that in the resources, but we'll get to that section in a couple of videos here. The next one is Taiwan Trade. Taiwan Trade is another great company. If you're looking for something with much better quality control, much better quality products, a lot of the Taiwanese products are extremely well manufactured, and again, this site is great. It's very basic though. It's the only thing I found. It's very simple, but easy to use. I've never ordered from there personally myself, but I do know that the products are great. So those are the top 5 international sites that I've used, that I've seen. Not I'll use them all, but that I've seen that are available to use. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video.